Hey guys, Dr. Brown here, and tonight we're working an integral of the sine squared x cosecant squared 2x dx. So sometimes when I look at a problem in the very beginning, I'm thinking, whoa, what to do? So I will change things around. For example, cosecant I know is 1 over sine. So let me make that change. I have sine squared x times 1 over sine squared 2x. Now, dx. Now, back in the day, I used to let the sine squared terms and all that freak me out. I just put my finger over that. I have sine 2x. What is a trig identity for sine 2x? Well, I know that's 2 sine x cosine x. That's sine 2x, but it's squared. So I have two of them, 2 sine x cosine x. Oh, this is dx, and in the numerator, sine squared x. Well, 2 times 2 is 4, so I'm going to move that to the outside here. So the integral of 1/4 sine squared x, sine times sine squared x, and cosine times cosine squared x dx. So the sine squared cancel, and I'm left with 1/4 the integral 1 over cosine squared. Well, 1 over cosine is secant, so I have secant squared x dx. What's the integral of secant squared? Tangent. Wow. So I have 1/4 tangent x plus c. Pretty simple problem. So learn some of those trig identities and be able to manipulate the problem into something that we can work with. Why are we doing this? Together we're trying to build a better tomorrow through math. Keep studying, study those trig identities, and we'll talk to you next time. Thanks.